How-to series. Getting started with the mobile app. Click to open the app. Please allow a few seconds for the app to load. The first time using the app, you must request access. Enter the required information. When finished, press Continue. Your information will be sent to FireProCare for approval. Once approved, you will be able to log into the app. Signing into the mobile app. Enter your email address and password. Press the Login button. You will then be asked to enter a two-step verification code sent to your email address. Press the Login button. If the email or password is accepted, you may get a prompt asking for permission to use your location. We suggest allow while using app. You will then be shown the controller screen. See instructions on how to add a controller to the list. Adding a controller on the mobile app. Note: before logging into the FireProCare app, make sure the fire pump controller has been properly commissioned, started up, that the time and date are correct, and that the wireless connectivity feature is enabled. Note: the user must be in the same room as the fire pump controller, preferably standing in front of it. To add a new controller to your controller park, tap the plus button in the top right-hand corner of the app. You can either type the controller serial number or scan the barcode on the fire pump controller. Tap on Connect to Controller. Once the connection is successful, the fire pump controller is now part of your controller park. Note: it is recommended at this time to enter the street address of the installation and download the logs. Enter the street address of the installation. Slide down to Controller Logs, and tap on Download Latest Logs. Connecting to a controller on the mobile app. Note: the user must be in the same room as the fire pump controller, preferably standing in front of it. To search for the fire pump controller the user wants to connect to. In the map view, with location services turned on, tap the point on the map, then tap Controller Details. In list mode, scroll through the list of fire pump controllers to find the serial number. Tap the three dots on the right-hand side, then tap Controller Details. Tap on the search loop in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and type in the serial number. Tap the serial number to open Controller Details. To connect to the fire pump controller in Controller Details, tap on Connect to Controller. Controller Details includes the serial number, model number, installation address, voltage, horsepower, or kilowatts, and startup date. The user can view any preventive maintenance opportunities. The user can download the latest generic software updates if available or required. The user can upload or view photos and videos, and view or insert any notes. In the BOM, Bill of Materials, the user can view the fire pump controller's bill of materials. In preventive maintenance, the user can view any preventive maintenance opportunities. In service tasks, the user can view any service tasks, and take action if required. In service history, the user can view the service task history. Log Visualizer on the desktop. Note: to view the logs, search for the fire pump controller and go to Details. Scroll down to Controller Logs and click on Visualize. The logs are represented in two different views. A line chart view with a right and left vertical axis and a horizontal axis. And a list view. Regardless of the view, an event will always have a date stamp, date and time, attached to it. This allows the user to analyze an event or a series of events over a period of time. Line chart view. Step 1. Choose the date stamp range. The data stamp is the horizontal axis of the line chart. Step 2. Select data for the left and right axis. Select a category and subcategory for each axis, or the left axis only. At least one subcategory must be selected. Note: categories and subcategories may vary depending on fire pump controller type, electric or diesel. Scroll down to List View. Note: the user can view 10, 25, or 50 events per page. The user can search specific events by event name or ID. The date stamp can be sorted from earliest to latest or from latest to earliest. Each event has a date stamp, an ID number, an event description, and the ability to mark that event in the line chart view.